Hi, this is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. The address we're inspecting today is 2964 Southeast Bluebird Drive, Hillsboro, Oregon, 97123. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the front yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the ViewTech self-leveling HD color video inspection camera. This is one of the best cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it should be noted that some sewer pipes made out of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and Ortsberg may be in good working order and may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspection must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made out of cast iron, ABS 3034 or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. So we are in 3-inch ABS plastic drain piping. We are running some water from the kitchen sink to ensure that our pipe is watertight and is going to remain watertight throughout this inspection. And here we go. So after just about 6 feet, 7 feet, we're going to transition materials. We're going to transition materials again here, so we're going to transition into a much larger concrete pipe at this point. So at about 25 feet we're going to drop into concrete piping. We're seeing some aging and deterioration of the concrete piping, just some normal wear, but everything that we've seen so far does appear to be in working condition. We're going to drop into the city lateral, and we'll call it 44 feet. So this is the end officially of buyer-owner responsibility, 44 feet, 45 feet away from the house. So we started in ABS, we transitioned to cast iron, we transitioned to concrete, and we dropped in the city lateral at 45 feet. Now this is the end officially of buyer-owner responsibility, about 45 feet away from the house. Overall condition of the pipe appears to be in good working condition and passes inspection. And we would just recommend having a sewer scope performed periodically, keeping an eye on things. You can leave on. We're not having a sewer scope performed periodically, just keeping an eye on things. because of the age of some of this piping. So ABS looked really good. We transitioned, and then the concrete pipe was the one that we're seeing the most amount of deterioration. But again, snapshot of the property currently today, everything does appear to be in working condition and passes inspection. We're going to turn off the microphone and look at the pipe one more time in reverse.